kindergartners, it's Mrs. Morris. Welcome to Number Corner time, and this Number Corner is for Thursday, April 2nd. So we are going to start with our calendar. Miss Morris is going to move it over to our calendar that we can see a little bit better. I'm going to move my face over here so we can see also. All right, who wants to sing the Days of the Week song with me? All right, here we go. Ready? There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Excellent job. You made me smile hearing all that great singing out there. All right, so now we are going to look and see what today is, what yesterday was, and what tomorrow will be. Today is Thursday, April 2nd, 2020. Listen to that again. Thursday, April 2nd, 2020. Say it with me. Thursday, April 2nd, 2020. Excellent job. Who can guess what yesterday was? Yesterday happened in the past. That's why I point to the back. Who knows what yesterday was? I hear a bunch of good answers. Yesterday was Wednesday. I heard several of you say that. Yesterday was Wednesday, April 1st, 2020. Today is Thursday, April 2nd, 2020. Now, who's really smart out there and can tell me what tomorrow is going to be? Nice job. Tomorrow is in front of us. It's in the future. It hasn't happened yet. Is Friday, April 3rd, 2020. Excellent job, friends. Okay, so let's look at today's Thursday, April 2nd. Let's flip it over and see what measurement we have. Remember, we're looking at pictures that have to do with measuring things. Oh, that's kind of hard to see. Does anybody know what that is? Let me see if I can get it a little bit closer. Oh, I heard some people say a scale, a balance. It's correct. It's a balance or a scale. So I'm going to switch back over to here. I'm going to move my face back over here to this side, and we are going to look at that picture of that balance or scale a little bit bigger. Some people call it a pan balance because sometimes these cups look like flat pans that we put things into. But this is a balance. And so what we use this to measure is weight, to see which one is heavier and which one is lighter. This picture is not the best picture. It shows 3 pencils on the left and 2 pencils on the right. And that left one is just a little bit lower than the right one because 3 pencils are heavier than 2 pencils. So we are going to take this picture and shrink it down a little bit, and we're going to put it down over here in this box because this box is the box where we're going to put all the pictures of things that we use to measure weight. Okay, so Miss Morris has a really cool picture of a real pan balance, kind of like the ones that we would use in our classroom. And I have a video of a teacher actually using one of these that we're going to watch together right now. Okay? All right. Oops, didn't mean to do that, because then I can't see you.
Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to be working on using a scale to make things equal or the same on both sides, okay? So the first thing you need to notice is this line right here and this pointy part right there. You need to notice that they're nice and lined up, nice and straight. That means they're balanced. I'm going to push this back a little bit so you can see. Let's take one of these great big bears and put it over here and watch what happens. it automatically goes down. So we know that this side is heavier, don't we? And we know this side is lighter. But for today's challenge, what you're going to do is try to balance the scale and make it equal. So this side is down, so I'm going to add little bears to this side and see how many it's going to take to make the scale balanced. So I have one big bear. Let's see how many little bears. 1, 2, do you see it moving? 3. All right, if I just gently slow it down, I can see that these are lined up. That means that one big bear is balanced with 3 little bears. So I'm going to take those out and I'm going to try something else.
Okay, so if you look at this pan balance or balance, remember at the beginning, she showed you that when these two lines are lined up, this little line up here at the top and the bottom, when those are lined up, that means that it's ready to go. It's set. It's balanced. Balanced means equal on both sides. And then she put a big counting bear in this red cup, and the red cup fell to the ground. And that meant that that bear in the red cup was heavier than the empty blue cup on the right. And then she counted out little bears. They weren't the same size as the big bear in the red cup. They were a little bit smaller. And do you remember how many bears she had to put in the blue cup to make the red cup and the blue cup balanced or equal? You're correct. It was 3. It was 3. 3 little bears were the same as one big bear. Good job, friends. So this isn't something that you might have at your house. And so Miss Morris has a picture of a balance that you can make in your house. Wait until you check this out. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger so that you can see it. You need a hanger. You need some string or yarn, and you need 2 plastic cups or paper cups. And so what you're going to do is you need a hanger that has these little openings at the top so that your string will hang on it and not slide off the hanger. So what you're going to do is you're going to put some hole punches. I think it's 2 hole punches in one cup and 2 hole punches in the other cup, and string the string. Mom and Dad might need to help you with that. And then you need to hang it on one side of the hanger, one on the other side of the hanger. And if you look right now, whoever built this one put something in that blue cup, and it's heavier in that blue cup than whatever's in that green cup. And so before you put anything in it, you want to make sure that this is straight, not like this picture. It needs to be straight. And then you can go